This is how I set up for cleaning the filters. I figure if you're going to get wet, you may as well be comfortable. I put the cartridge on a white stool to get it at the right height, and I set the hose to a downward angle. This ensures that the dirt keeps getting flushed out at the bottom, and it's a lot easier on your wrist. Once I've gone from top to bottom, I turn it around and do the next dirty bit. You may need to do this twice all the way around. On these it's nice and easy to keep track of where you start because there's this white vertical stripe. The white surface helps you see all the dirt coming out at the bottom, and once it stops coming out, then you know that that part is clean. Having a towel handy afterwards is really nice, especially if you're doing this in October after closing the pool. And we're done. I don't like having to chemically clean the cartridges, but if you're not getting a good enough flow through the pump, then it may be required. You're going to need a garbage can or some kind of container to hold the cartridges. You probably won't find one that's tall enough, and if you did, you would need too much of the chemical. So I soak one end, and then after the required time, I turn them over and soak the other end. For the amount of liquid you need to cover half of 4 cartridges, I find you need 2 bottles of the chemical. So the important thing after you've mixed it is to make sure that the liquid level gets up further than halfway up the cartridge. That's what I'm doing here with the tape measure, if I can find it. I'm checking the water level. You'll find the whole process is a lot easier if you put the thing on a cart, because with the 4 cartridges and all that liquid, it's extremely heavy. This way you can move it wherever you need to.